Hello dear student, welcome to the mission 60 marks. So in this we'll study chapter number 12 linear programming. So in this chapter we have 6 marks fixed question. So to solve this chapter question, so we should have proper procedure. We should have to follow the proper procedure. So then only we'll get 6 marks. So in this LPP, so what will have a very important part, it means first one. So first we should know the graph. In this problem, you will get x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. What is the meaning of this? So the meaning is x value is always 0 or greater than 0. This is x, this is y. X value is always greater than 0 or 0. It means this side. And y value is always greater than 0. It means what? Y is 0 or greater than 0. It means whatever you will get the values, it means y value is 0 or greater than 0, x value is 0 or greater than 0. What is the meaning of this? Whatever the graph you will get, that you will get in 100% in the first quadrant, first point. This is what a first point. And second point, you will get two types of lines in the graph. So first point, first line, you will get one line like this. Let us take this is L1. And the second line you will get like this. This is second line L1, L2. So only these two types of lines you will get in this problem. So this is what a second. So if third part is true or false. So what is a true, what is a false? So you want to hatch in this problem. So in the problem everything will get, but these points are very important, you should remember. So first, this is the line 1. If the equation is true, then you want to hatch towards the origin. This is for true. If the line is false, then you want to hatch away from the origin. This is the third point. Third point is true or false. Okay, true or false. Second point is what? You will get two types of lines, L1 and L2. Okay, so L1 is like this, L2 is like this. From origin the line will start. Only two types of lines you will get in this problem. And next, lastly, fourth one what? When the equation is true, when the equation is false. See, whenever you will get 0 is greater than or equal to 10. What is this, sir? By observing this, 0 is greater than or equal to 10. It is true or false? See, 0 is less than 10. 10 is bigger value. So 0 is what? Less than 10. So whatever this equation is giving us, the information is wrong, because 0 is not greater than 10. So this is what? False. Be careful. 0 is greater than 10. This information we are getting from this equation, but when you will think 0 is very small compared to 10, so it is what? False. So similarly, in fourth point it is 1. In fourth point, second point, 0 is less than or equal to 20. Let us take any example, 10, 20, 30. Okay. So you just see this equation. 0 is less than 20. Yes, of course, 100%. 0 जो भी है 20 से कम है. So whatever the 0 is there, so it is less than 20. So it is what? True. It is what? True. So let us take third example. 0 is less than or equal to 100. This is what? This is 0 is less than 100. Yes, 100% true. So fourth point, 0 is greater than or equal to 200. So let us see. 0 is greater than or equal to 200? No, it is false. It is what? A false. So in a fourth point, you should remember. Lastly, in fifth point. What is fifth point? In fifth point, you will get some equations. 0 is less than or equal to 0 and 0 is greater than or equal to 0. See, 0 is less than or equal to 0. You should remember it is false. 0 never be less than or equal to 0. 0 should be greater than or equal to 0. This is true. So these you should remember, note for this problem. Okay, so this is what a purely basic of this chapter. If you know this content, then 100% we can get 6 marks. So I will repeat. So first point, so this is what a graph. So in second point, first point, we will get x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. You will get in this problem. So what is the meaning of this? The whatever the graph you will get, it is in first quadrant. X is greater than 0, y is also greater than 0 or 0. Okay, the meaning. So it means whatever the graph you will get in the first quadrant, and you will get second point. So what is second point? You will get two types of lines. One is line like this and one is line like this. So whatever the L1 is there, if the value comes true, you want to hatch inside. If the value is false, then you want to hatch outside. This is towards the origin, this is away from the origin. If you get like this line, so you should remember this is the origin line, this is origin line. So towards the origin, it is true. You want to hatch in this line like this, true. Okay, if the line is away from the line, then you want to hatch, or away from the line is nothing but if the false comes, then you want to hatch away from the origin like this. This is what a false. So this is what a basic terms. Okay, so in this problem, we have to find the first one. First point is you want to identify points. Second one, you want to draw the graph. Third point, you want to write the corner point. Fourth point, you want to write the optimal values, Z equation. And the fifth point, you want to write minimum and maximum. So this is what the procedure. So we'll start a numerical. Minimize and maximize. Z is equals to what they have given. Z optimal function they have given. Z equal to minus 3x plus 4y. And subjected to the constraints. First point, what is this? X plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. And second point, 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. And third one, so they have given x comma y is greater than or equal to 0 by graphical method. So we'll solve one by one. So first we'll take 1. X plus 2y is less than or equal to 8. So after this, what you want to find? Write x plus 2y equal to 8 you want to write. So you want to make one box. So for this box, you should write x value and y value. So if you take x is 0, if you take x is 0, if you put here x 0, 0 plus 2 times of y is equals to 8. So 0 is 0, y is equals to 8 by 2, this is equals to 4. It means y, what you will get? 4. So you got first point. After this, you want to take a y value. If you take y is 0, see, when you will take x is 0, you got y is 4. When you will take y is 0, what you will get? X, right? X plus 2 times of y is 0. That equal to 8. This becomes 0. So you will get x is equals to 8. So what you will get? X is 8. This is 8. When you will get the points, you just write first x value 0, then y value 4. First you want to write x value 8, y value 0. After this, you should find true and false, whether this equation is true or false. To find true or false, you should write x value 0 plus 2 times of y value 0 less than or equal to 8. See, 0 into anything is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is less than or equal to 8. 0 is less than or equal to 8. Yes, 100% it is true, because 0 जो भी है 8 से कम है. 0, whatever the 0 is there, it is less than 8. So what is this? It is true. So it is what? True. So see here, I will not write all these 3 points. It is not needed also. So what will do? This will do shortcut. So second point. What it is second point? 3x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12. So what is the procedure? 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So after this, you should take one box and put here x and y. So if you put x value 0, x value 0, 0 into anything is 0. So 3 times of x is 0 plus 2 times of y is equals to 12. So this becomes a 0, y is equals to 2 ones are 2 6 are. So it is what? Y is 6. If you take x is 0, y is 6. So if you take y is 0, it means what? 3 into x plus 2 times of y is 0. So if y is 0 equal to 12, this is 0. 3x is equals to 12. X is equals to 12 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. X equal to what we will get? 4. So after this value, you should write 0, 6 and 4, 0. After getting this, you should find true and false, whether this equation is true or false. How to find true or false? Put the value x value 0, y value 0. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 is less than or equal to 12. So what it is? 0 is 0, 0 into anything is 0, total 0 is less than or equal to 12. You just see 0 is less than or equal to 12. This is also what? True. So when you will get these values, true, false, now directly you want to draw the what? Graph. So for graph, you should remember I told total all the problems graph you will get in the first quadrant in the graph sheet. So what you want to do, you should take a corner of this. This is what? This is x, this is y, and you want to write here scale. What is the scale? So scale is, so here 0, 6, 4, 0 and 0, 4, 8, 0. It is a scale I will take in x and y axis. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Okay, so highest number is total in this problem, highest number is 8. So I will take 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this also I will take 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So after getting this, what you want to do? First point. So what is the first point? 0, 0, 4. 0. X is 0, y is 4. X is 0, y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X is 0, y is 4. This is 0, 4. Next, 8, 0. X is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8, 0. So you got one line. So you should draw one line here. So this is what? First line. And you should give the name of this line. So what is that? X plus 2y equal to 8. X plus 2y equal to 8. It is true or false? You just check. It is true. So initially I told if it is a true, the hatching is towards the origin. So you should remember you should hatch 2 or 3 lines towards the origin. First line is OR. So after this second line, what is this second line? Second line is 0, 8. X is 0, Y is 6. 0, 6. X is 0, Y is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. So this is what? 0, 6. And another one 4, 0. X is 4, Y is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what? 4, 0. So this is 4, 0. So you should draw one line here. So you just give the name for this. So what is this line? This line is 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. So see here. So after giving the name of the line, you should write true or false. So you want to hatch this. True or false it is. So this is a true. True it means this line hatching is towards the origin. True is towards the origin. False is away from the origin. So you should hatch towards the origin. So here we will get one. Here we will get common region. You just see here. So whatever this region you are getting the common region or solution region or feasible region. This is called what? A feasible region. So this is hatched properly. So this is called solution region. After this solution region, you should remember next procedure. What is the next procedure? You should write here points. What is this? This point is, I think, x value 1, 2, 2. 100% it is 2. And it is 1, 2, 3. This is what? 3. So this point is 2, 3. So this point is 0, 0. So this point is what? 4, 0, 4. This point is what? 4, 0. So why I have not taken this? This is not a common region. So both the line common region. So this also hatching this side and this also hatching this side. Total common region. So this is what? A common region. This is for 2 marks. This is for 2 marks. Still we have 4 marks. So for next what you want to write? You want to write corner point. What you want to write? A corner point. So what are the corner points here? So we'll give the name A. This is B. This is C. And this is D. So A of, what is A of? A of 0, 0. And B of, what is the B of? 0, 4. 0, 4. And C of, what is C? C of 2, 3. 2, 3. And D of, what is D of? 4, 0. 4, 0. 4, 0. So this is 2 marks. This is for 1 marks. This is for 1 marks. This is for 1 marks. So after this, what you want to do? So you want to find optimal function. What you want to find? A optimal function. So you want to find optimal function. Optimal function. So what is optimal function? You want to draw one table. So see in the graph how to solve. So this is only a graph. Backside or another one page, you want to write this solution as well as this solution and scale. So whatever the scale you have written in the graph only you want to write. So here, so first there are 2 points. So one is corner point is A of, what is A corner point? 0, 0. B of, what is B of? 0, 4. So A, here B. And C, what is C? 2, 3. 2 comma 3. Okay, so it is 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. And d of, what is d of? So d is a 4 comma 0. So what is z? So we have z equation minus 3x plus 4y. So here z is equals to minus 3 into x value 0 plus 4 times of y value is also 0. So here also 0, here also 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. So after that z is equals to minus 3 into x value is what? 0 plus 4 times of y value is 4. So this is 0, 4 4s are 16. Okay, next z is equals to minus 3 of x is 2 plus 4 into y is 3. So it is minus 6, 3 to the minus 6 plus, what is this? 12. So it is what? 12. So it is minus 6 plus 12. This is 6. Okay. So this is z is equals to minus 3 into 4. X is what? 4 plus 4 into y is what? 0. So this is 0 into anything is 0. This is what? Minus 12. So in this, which one is maximum? Which one is minimum? So see the values. So highest value is maximum. So this is what? So this is a maximum value. So you will just write maximum. So this is what? A maximum. So which one is the minimum? This is what? A minimum. So for this table, you will get 2 marks. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So you should write the minimum is minus 12 at d of 4 comma 0. So this is a half marks. So this point is half marks. See here, 2, 4, 5, 5.5. Again, still we have half marks. So which one is the maximum? The maximum is, so here 12, right? So it is minus 12. Okay. So the maximum is, what is the maximum? Maximum is 16 at what? C of 2 comma 3. So this is what your answer. So this is a total 6 marks. This problem is very, very important. So next problem is, maximize, only maximize. They are asked z is equals to 4x plus y subjected to constraints this as well as this. X is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. So by graphical method. So similar problem. So we'll start solution. So first what we'll write? Z is equals to 4x plus y. Next. And x plus y is less than or equal to 50. And 3x plus y is less than or equal to 90. Okay. And again x comma x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is also greater than or equal to 0. I told the information of this in the previous slide. So it means x value 0 or more than 0 and y value is 0 or more than 0. So now first point, what you want to solve are, let x plus y is less than or equal to 50. X plus y is equal to 50. So you want to make one box. So here x and here y. So if you take x value 0, So 0, x value 0. If you take x value 0, here x value 0, 0 plus y is equals to 50. 0 you just leave it, y is equals to 50. So here you will get a 50. If you take y 0, so if you take y 0, x plus y 0 is equals to 50. So you will get x equal to 50. If y is 0, x is 50. So you should write here x value is 0, y value is 50. So what is x value? 50 and 0. You should write first x value and you should write y value. X value and y value. So this is the first point. Second point, how will write? Just take 3x plus y is less than or equal to 90. So 3x plus y is equals to 90. So for this, you should take one box. See x and y. If you take x value is 0. So what is this? 3 into 0 plus y is equals to 90. This becomes 0. Y is equals to 90. Y is what? 90. So if you take y is 0, so what we will get? 3x plus of 0 is equals to, if you take x is 0, y is 90. If you take 3x, y is 0, it is equal to 90. So 3x is equals to 90. 3 ones are 3 30s are. X is equals to what you will get? 30 you will get. So you will get 30. After this, for both the point, you should find true and false. To find true and false, what you want to do? X value 0 plus y value is also 0, less than or equal to 50. Just see 0, 0, 0. 0 is less than or equal to 50. So 0 is less than 50. Yes, 100% correct it is. It is true. So I told previous slide, you should follow that initial slide. So here, if you want to find this line is true or false, you want to put here 3 into 0 plus y is also 0, less than or equal to 90. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is less than or equal to 90. So 0 is less than or equal to 90. It is true. Why it is true, you should know. Okay. After this, what you want to find? You want to write this value 0, 90, 30, 0. Here also I have written. So after these points, you should, so this not contain any marks. So you should remember after this, so you should have to draw the graph. So this is x-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So you want to write a scale. Scale is what? You just see here 30, 90, 0, 50. So highest is 90. So what I will write? X and y axis. 1 centimeter is equals to 10 unit. It means you should have highest is 90. So in this is what? X. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. So this is what your origin 0. So what you want to do now? So we should have first point. What is the first point? 0, 50. So x is 0, y is 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 50. So 0, 50. Next point is what? 50, 0. X is 50. So here 50, 0. So you should have one line. So you should give the line name. What is line name? X plus y is equals to 50. You can write this also. Okay. So it is true or false? It is true. If it is a true, then you want to hatch towards the origin. Next point is 0, 90. So x is 0, y is 90. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 9, 70, 80, 90. Okay. So here, so it is what? 0, 90. And another one 30, 0. 10, 20, 30. So here 30, 0. So you should draw the line for this and this. So I will draw here like this. Okay. So in the graph sheet, you should draw with the scale. So here you will get one corner point. It is true or false, you want to check. It is also true. So true is nothing but, so you want to hatch inside. You just see common region. So similarly, so this is the common region. This is what your common region. So if it is a common region, you should hatch it. Same procedure. So what you want to do? So you want to give the name. It is A, it is a B, it is a C, and it is a D. So you should write this point. What is this point? I think it is a 20. X value is 20 and Y value is 30. Okay, Y value is 30. In the graph, you will get 100% values. So after this graph, this is what a feasible region. So after this graph, so you should write what? After this graph, you should write optimal function. Sorry, corner point. Corner points. So what is the corner points? A of 0, 0. A of 0, 0 and B of 0, 50, 0, 50 and C of 20, 30, 20, 30. You can give the name anyway. And D of, what is D of? 30, 30, 0. After this, optimal function. So what is optimal function? You should draw one table. And in this, you should write corner point. How many points? D points. A, B, C and D. So what is the Z equation? You should write Z equation. So you should write Z equation 4x plus y. 4x plus y. So what we'll do here? A point. What is A point? 0, 0. B of 0, 50. C of 20, 30. And D of 30, 0. So Z value 4 into 0 plus y. X and y is value. Y is 0. So 0, 0 is 0 plus 0, that is equals to 0. And Z is equals to, so X it is 4, X value is 0 plus Y value is 50. So this is nothing but this is 0, answer is 50. And Z is equals to 4, X value is 20 plus Y value is 30. So this is 80, here it is 80 plus 30. So this is 110. So Z is equals to 4 times of, here X is what? 30 plus Y is 0. It is 120. So you just see the value. Which one is minimum or maximum? This is the minimum. So this is what? 0 is what? Minimum. You can write minimum here. So this is what? Maximum. You can write maximum. So this is 2 marks here. This is 2 marks. This is graph is 2 marks. This is 1 marks. So total is 5 marks. Still 1 marks is pending. So what is that 1 marks? So in the question they ask maximize. So the maximum value is 120 at 120 D of 30, 0. Actually whatever they ask, that is finished. If they ask minimum, the minimum value is less value 0 at A of 0, 0. So this is what a question. Next is